All right, here's kind of a fun one. This is called the Minkowski fractal or the Minkowski sausage. All right, so it kind of weaves around like our base is going to be a line segment. Really, we should say it's a full line segment, and that line segment is going to get broken up and kind of squiggle around here, kind of like a snake-like looking thing. Okay, so this one line segment is going to get broken up into a bunch of little ones. So the similarity factor is actually going to be a fourth here because each of these is 1/4 as long as the original one, all right? So let's see how it looks, okay? So we're going to start off with 32 spaces. So we're going to have to count off. We're going to kind of center that, and we want to get 32 spaces, all right? So you might want to kind of locate the center and just go 16 off to each side kind of idea. So this has a length of 1. Now this one would be good to actually make sure you're using a pencil because we're going to erase or we're going to go over the top of this one. So we're going to replace this with a, uh, a zigzag kind of idea that looks like that. All right, so just like the generator tells us there. So these next lines will be going by a half here. So I've counted out some line segments that are half as long, and we're going to travel like this. We're going to go over, and then we're going to go up, and oops. Then we're going to go to the right, down a half unit, down a half unit, okay, up to the over, up, and we'll end up back at the end. So with this fractal, the way this fractal is defined is we always start and end at the same spot, okay? And so these are a half. So notice here we have, what do we have? 8 line segments, right? And they're all 1/4, actually not a half. Sorry, the scales is 1/4, right? So this is 1/4 now. Again, so we have 8 line segments in there, 1/4 as long, all right? So we can label that. We started out, we had 1 line segment that was 1 unit long for a total length of 1. Now we have 8 line segments, and they are a 1/4 unit each, and so they're twice as long. So we just doubled in length, okay? All right, so I'm going to let you continue this here now. The way we're going to break this up now is we're going to go and we're going to break that into fourths, all right? And everywhere we have 2 line segments, we're going to go over a fourth, we're going to go up to the right, down 2, okay? And we're going to continue that, and we'll go this guy, and then we'll go over, break it up that way, and then there we go. So the green line here is our second level, and you can continue that on, all right? So, and then each little line segment here will get broken up. Okay, and so we're going to go fourth the distance here, and a fourth the distance, and a fourth the distance, a fourth. Okay. All right, and we'll continue on like that. All right. So see how many levels you can get there, so on and so forth. All right. All right. How many levels can you make to get the Minkowski fractal?